Hi everyone, say hi.
Hi.
So today we're gonna be opening Boogie boards.
And we're going to the pool to swim with them.
We're going to the pool to swim with them, and we're gonna make a pool video tomorrow because we're going back tomorrow, right?
And you can bring them tomorrow.
Yeah, we can bring them tomorrow. There can be footage of us doing it, or maybe today.
We can bring both.
Okay, I'm starting to open mine.
Mine too.
Whoa. I did it.
Good job.
Now I have to take this off.
Look what I did. I peeded the whole thing up.
Oh.
Sorry.
There, look, guys. We got this. And take this off. That's tape. I'm gonna take this tape off. There we go.
Mine was already stuck to my side. This is a shark.
Yeah.
And this one is a dolphin.
Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go like this. You know, like this.
So this is how you do it, RG.
Yeah, I know, but like.
I have them at my swimming class. It's a black one. So many.
Look, I go like this. Guys. Film me, Ava.
Oh, okay. Here.
Don't touch the button. No. Film me. Like hold the thing and make me, like, let it see me. Like hold it up a little. Thanks. Okay. You want me to film you now?
Sure.
Okay. You go. Oh, fine. You go on yours. I'll film you on it. Yeah, that's how you do it. We're gonna do that at the pool today and tomorrow, guys.
And this is somehow I
And a
do
special guest is coming to the pool tomorrow. Don't tell them Ava. It's a special guest. Okay, so
It's one of RJ's friends.
yeah, it's one of my friends.
And sometimes she comes to his house.
And she said she can be on video, so we're gonna do a special guest. Yeah.
Or do you want to cut this tag off? Or do you want to cut this off?
I think I got it like with my hands. Look. It's hard. It's hard. But okay, bye. Guys. I'm gonna leave now because we gotta go to the pool and stuff.
Yeah.
So I got my bathing suit. She got her bathing robe or whatever that thing is. And we gotta go to the pool now. Okay, guys. So I'll say bye, Ava.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. Bye.